Hi viewers, welcome back to our channel. So I'm here once again for today's video. So in this video we will continue learning the circle command, and we will discuss two more options or ways to draw a circle. So today's circle commands are actually 2-point and 3-point circles. So we will do some tasks so that you can understand what's the difference between 2-point and 3-point circle and how we can use these commands to draw circles. So if we look at this drawing, which is task 3, we can clearly analyze that we have a square and then we have a circle in between, and then we have a circle at the outer corners of the square. Okay, so we will draw this drawing. So first of all we have to start the line command, and we will start from here, and we're assuming that this point is origin, so the coordinates of this point will be 0, 0. Since the length of this line is 5, so the coordinates of next point will be 5, 0. Similarly, the coordinates of this point to draw this line should be 0, 5. Apologies, it should be 5, 5. And for this point, the coordinates will be 0, 5, and then we can press the close button to finish the square. Okay, so now we will use 2-point circle to draw this inside circle. The diameter of this inside circle is 5 units. So what we will do, we will invoke the circle command by typing C and hitting the enter button. So now we can see that we have a message appearing on the command prompt which is saying specify center point for circle or 3P, 2P, TTR. Since we want to draw this circle using 2P or 2-point command, so we will click on this button, or we can type 2P and press enter. So now once again we have to look at the command prompt which is saying you have to specify the first endpoint of circle's diameter. So let's assume that we want to draw this circle using 2-point command by selecting the midpoint of this line and midpoint of this line. So in this way we are actually specifying the length of the diameter of the circle, as well as we are specifying the center point. So we will start. This is the midpoint of the top edge of the square, and this is the midpoint of the bottom edge of the square. So in this way we can draw the inside circle. Okay, so if we want to draw this outside circle using 2P or 2-point command, what we have to do, or what we can do, we have to select these corners, the opposite or diagonal corners. So if we select this corner and if we select this corner as 2 points of a circle, then we are actually specifying a diameter as well as the center of the circle. So let's start. We will type C and then we will type 2P for 2-point circle, and after that we will follow the command which is saying specify first endpoint. So let's say this is the first endpoint, and then the message is specify second endpoint. So this is the second endpoint of the circle. So in this way we can simply draw 2-point circles. For the 3-point circle we will actually draw this diagram or this drawing. So if we analyze this drawing, we can see that we have a triangle, and then we have a one circle inside the triangle and one circle outside the triangle. Both of these circles can be drawn by 3-point option of circles. So first of all we have to draw this triangle, which is actually equilateral triangle with the length of each side equal to 5 units, and each angle is also of 60 degree. So we will start the line command. We are assuming that we are starting the drawing from this point, which is origin, so the coordinates will be 0, 0. The coordinates of second point will be 5, 0. Now we have to draw this line. We know this angle is 60. It means it is making an angle of 120 degree with positive x-axis, because this is 180 degree and we are subtracting 60 from it, so it's 120 degree. The length will be 5. So at the rate 5 less than 120. So now we can press the close button to complete this triangle. Okay, so now we will draw this inside circle using 3-point circle command. So if we analyze this circle, we can clearly see that this circle is touching this rectangle at 3 different points, and these 3 points are actually the midpoint of these 3 sides. So in order to draw this circle, we will invoke the circle command, and then we will go to this 3-point option, or we can type 3P and press enter. So now look at the message. First of all, we have to specify the first point of circle, and then we have to specify the second point, which is once again the midpoint, and then we have to specify the third point, which is once again the midpoint. So in this way we can draw a circle inside a triangle using 3-point option of circle command. So now look at this circle. This is also touching the triangle at 3 points, point 1, point 2 and point 3. These 3 points are actually 3 vertices of this triangle. So we can draw this kind of circle using 3-point option of circle command. So we will invoke the circle command and type 3P for 3-point circle and select these 3 vertices as 3 points on the circumference of the circle. So in this way we can draw a circle which is touching the rectangle at 3 vertices. So that's all for today's video. So in the next video we will discuss other 2 methods of drawing circles, which are actually tan radius and tan. After that we will do some exercises using circle command so that you can better understand the command. Thank you very much.